Hi every friends, this is Photoshop, and let's say we have a video. This is a timeline, and we want to overlay some image to this video in Photoshop. In order to do that, we will go to our timeline, and we have to add new video group. So we just go to our video group and clicking on this arrow, choosing new video group. Now we can see one more track on our timeline, and here on this arrow, after clicking this arrow, I am choosing add media, and our media is our PNG file frame. So this is our next video. But I want to do some changes. For example, I want to extend the duration of our frame to do it as long as the duration of our video, and let us change a little bit our focus. I click on this track, I'm going to edit, free transform, and by holding shift I'm changing the size of the focus, changing its position. Let us see. Okay, something like this. Let us see now. Now we have to move it a little bit more. Free transform and move it here. Maybe do it bigger. Now let us see. I think it's better. Thank you. Bye. And you can animate your focus too, but this is another lesson. Thank you. Bye.